Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to have your slides presentation open, and then you're going to open up an additional tab, and you're going to type in Screencast as one word, and then a space, and then O, and then a space, Matic. SCREENCAST space O space and then Matic. MATATIC. All right. So when you get it in, and of course I totally misspelled Matic, of course. All right. When you get it, you're going to click on the top one that says Screencast-O-Matic Screen Recorder and Video Editor. Okay, so once you click on that, you'll get this screen. You with me so far? Okay, and then there's a blue button on the lower left-hand side that says Start Recording for Free. So you click on that. And then, I don't know if it's orange or red, but it says Get Free Recorder in the same place. You click on that. And then it's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. Okay? And you're going to go to this little blue button over here on the right-hand side that says Add to Chrome. So you click on that, and you get this pop-up on your screen. It's going to ask you to add the extension. So you click on that. Okay, and then it'll add this little icon to the top. It's a blue circle followed by a white circle and then a dot, a blue dot in the middle. Okay, all right, and so then from there you go back to your project. Okay, and then you're going to click on that icon. Okay. And unfortunately, it's going to make you go through the process again, okay? But the Screencast-O-Matic thing is going to come up, and you go get the recorder, click on that. No, you're good. From your, let me backtrack. That, the button, if you click on that, a pop-up will come up that says get the recorder. So you click on that. And then you'll get to this screen. It's, again, the Chrome Web Store again. Add to Chrome. Add the app. And then a pop-up will show up on the bottom. And then this blue button turned into Launch App. Click that. See what I mean? It's practically giving away your firstborn by the time you're done with this. All right. And so then it gives you some options. Your entire screen or application window, it really doesn't matter. I'm only going to focus on that screen that's there. So you go to Share. And when you're at this screen, you're going to go back to your presentation. When this thing popped up, you go back to your presentation. And then on the bottom, do you see the icon is now on the bottom? You go back to your presentation. Okay, and then now the icon is at the bottom. When you click on it, it comes back up. It is. And that's going to show your audience where your mouse is when you're moving from one thing to another. It's fine. Okay? And then when you're ready, you click record. Okay? It'll count down. It'll say 3, 2, 1, and that's when you start talking after they're done counting down. Okay? I've messed up like I don't know how many videos, so I'm giving you the heads up. It's always good to know. All right? When you are done, no, you're good. Bless you. When you are done, there's going to be a button on the bottom that says, it's going to look like a pause button. Okay, so you click that, and it's going to offer, so you see where cancel is? It's going to give you a done button. So you'll click on that, and then it'll give you some options. You're going to publish to your Drive, and then from there you can upload it to Google Classroom. Okay? I know that's a lot of information. If you have any questions, just ask me. Yes. Go ahead. I'm not sure. I'm going to be totally honest with you. I have never tried to record it on a phone. I've tried to do it on an iPad and didn't feel like I was super successful. If you're willing to try it, by all means, go for it. Okay? Some troubleshooting things in advance. It's supposed to allow you to record for a full 15 minutes, but some of them, for some reason, were only doing like 1 minute. So if that happens to you, you might have to switch out your Chromebook, or you might just have to use your partner's. Yes. Okay. So, one for the group. Does that make sense? And I would just like switch back and forth who's reading what. And if you make a mistake, because sometimes that happens, y'all have seen my videos, if you make a mistake, just keep going. I'm the only one who's going to see it. So nobody else is going to judge, and don't feel like it has to be 100% perfect. Yes. 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 So Summer was asking, can we expand on what you wrote? Absolutely. Okay. Are we good? Absolutely. Okay. So y'all got this.